Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Do-Over Porter. Yes, I am recreating the porter that I had to tip out the other day because can't keep a good man down, right? Hey, so anyway, what do we got here? This is the water getting up to temperature, and I must have recorded this around Easter. How long ago was that? Was a while ago. This is a late video. Anyway, here's my grains, and I'm doing it exactly the same as before. But having said that, it's completely different because last time I wanted light choc malt and I could only find dark. But this time I got light, so I used light instead of dark, and I used more. And also, I completely forgot the smoked malt. So it's going to be quite different. But it's sort of more what I wanted in the first place. But anyway, this is going to mash for 1 hour. Oh, I'll go through the grains. It is 87% ale malt. 5.5% Caramunich, 6.5% choc malt, and 1% roasted barley. Just a tiny bit of roasted barley in there. So that has been mashing for a full hour, and yeah, that's good. What Olga am I aiming for on this one? I think I made it fairly light. So it's an Olga 45, which is sort of standard for what I do. And now I am rinsing it out and what on earth am I doing with Galaxy? This can't be a good idea. Oh, I remember. That's see the laptop in the background there? I did this on my live stream day, so I didn't actually film myself putting the there's dog and there's the real dog. Putting the bittering hops in. So I put Magnum in at the hour mark to try. I'm aiming for like 28 IBUs on this one, and then some Galaxy at flame out. Half a gram a litre, and now more Galaxy for some reason. This can't be. I don't know what was going through my head on this particular day. So in the original porter, I'd used Bramling Cross for a little bit of flavour, but I've been going through this kilo of Galaxy that I bought for like a year now, so I guess I figured I'd add some Galaxy to it. Galaxy's great, don't get me wrong, I love Galaxy. Someone asked me what my favourite hop was on during the stream, and it was unequivocally Galaxy. Anyway, we are draining into the cube now, and I reckon, that's a full one. So I'm actually getting a lot in the cube, and that piece of wood that you might be able to see in the corner is just to get the mouth of the cube right up high so that no air at all can escape. So that is all done. I've got Nottingham yeast. That's going to ferment in the fermenter when I transfer it for a couple of weeks. And here's the chocolate stuff. And organic. See, I reckon that was my problem with the last one. Organic means I haven't been treated for bugs, and some nasty bug got in it and killed it. So this time I'm roasting the cacao nibs. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Why do they change the letters around every time you try and spell the word chocolate? Anyway, that smells delicious. That smells like awesome chocolatey richness. So I'm going to try and carefully. So that was 15 minutes at 175, going into my my hop sock that is now a nib sock, I guess. And so this is going in like 4 or 5 days before bottling, and done. All right. So fingers crossed that my exactly the same but completely different do-over porter comes out. I mean, I've never done the same beer twice. Why would this one be any different? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Bye.